Hello guys, today I will be preparing with you a quick and easy healthy pancakes at home. For this recipe you will need carrots, zucchini, potatoes, eggs, oil, alfoil, ketchup and burger buns. This is a very healthy choice of a meal as it contains most of the healthy food. Step 1 is to peel the carrots, zucchinis and potatoes. Then grate all 3 vegetables into one bowl. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl and mix it all up into one. Place a pan over gas fire and pour 300 milliliters of vegetable oil in it. Place the mixture into the pan and flip it after one side is done. Once all is fried, place it in a plate. This can be a very good lunch idea for kids to take to school or just simply to take to work. Get the healthy buns ready. If it's stuck as one, then cut it open carefully with a knife and evenly in the middle. Simply place the fried mixture onto the bun and spread some ketchup on it. Place the remaining top bun on it and wrap the alfoil around it to finish it up. Please like and subscribe to our channel.